Let's make this sakpa pineapple fried rice. This rice was sweet. It was sweet. It was nice. It was yummy. Let's all agree. I know you've not tasted it, but me, I'm telling you that it's very, very nice. It's very nice, but you have to add extra seasoning and pepper. You know, all this recipe is not a Nigerian recipe. You get, and those people don't eat pepper. Me, I added pepper later. I added pepper. That's the only way I can survive with it. You get, all right. So let's make this meal together while I share a story from one of my followers. I met this guy online and I really started liking him so much that I always call him all the time just to speak with him. And that's unlike me. I don't really like calls. He stays in the UK, but that's not my reason for liking him so much, because I have a lot of abroad men who are like 10 to 11 years older than me in my DM, but I just developed so much like and genuine likeness for this particular person. He's never giving me money or gifts. That's not part of why I like him. I'm 20 and I'm always meeting men who are in their 30s. This man I'm talking about always calls me. He never texts me with the excuse of not being chance. I did not really see it as a big deal until he started acting up. We had already planned on how we will meet each other whenever he visits Nigeria, and we settled that. He had talked about getting married once I round up with school. I'm actually in my finals. My online lover started behaving weird of recent. He now tells me to change my clothes into more revealing outfits each time we are on video call. He persuades me to change in his presence, which I've never done because it's really not necessary. He's always refusing and we both laugh over it. The last time he asked me to change into something more revealing and in front of him, I went to change again off camera and this man got really angry. He said that he will be ending the call because he wants to go back to work. I apologized to him and I have been calling him, but he's not responding. I've actually stopped calling him and he hasn't called back again either. And I'm never calling him again because I can't please a man by getting unclad in front of a camera. Did I make the right decision?
Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. If you like my contents, please do well to engage and subscribe, and tell me the next content you want me to talk about or create. I love you all. Bye bye.